Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I will show you how to use Discord for your business or online community. First of all, open Discord using your browser, then either use an existing server, create a new server. Next, organize your server by creating text and voice channels for different topics. You can create channels for announcement, support, discussion, or updates depending upon your needs. Discord allows you to manage roles and permissions for moderators, members, or admins. You can invite people to your server using an invite link or build a community over time. Many business and creators use Discord to communicate with their audience, provide support, and share updates in real time. And that's it. That's how you can use Discord for your business or community. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.